Hello guys, this is Raj Cubs, your VA 101. So, going through next task na tayo. So, task 2 is to create a 10 to 15 second reels. So, let's open this one. Open na natin guys. Okay, so the assignee is Buddy Esterion and Villa Quinto. So, let's check. Ito yung additional information, a summary of my hotel amenities, grab the materials in my FB page. And this one is the business page of your client. Okay? Just focus in one task para hindi talaga kayo ma-overwhelm. Okay? So, ito, imagine this is your client. Diba? Ganun kasi magbigay yung mga clients ng, lalo na pag SMM. Okay, here's my business page. Work on it right away. Ganun lang. Then, you make a research on or read about the information of these businesses. I mean, of this business. Now, so my comment naman si Buddy, good morning, can we use CapCut to edit the videos for this task? So, nag-reply si client, yes. So, basically, walang specific video editing tools na pinapagamit si client. You can use any editing tools as long as you create this task. Okay? So, wala siyang specification. As long as na-follow nyo itong instruction na to. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to do as a client, I'm going to check where is the output. Okay? So, walang output. Always consider guys na especially pag nag-work kayo sa COO or mga chief of staff, team manager, or direct client, if ito yung naging mode of communication, ito yung naging tool nyo for communication, for project, ang tawag dito, for tracking project, dito kayo mag-reply. Or if there's a very important, that needs to do, you can chat your client or you can communicate with your client using, ano ba yung mga WhatsApp, diba? Yung sabi ni coach. Pero in this case, so I'm gonna find the, output ni Buddy. So where is it? The question is, where is it? Saan mo nilagay? Saan mo nilagay? Okay? So, dito kasi, ang ginawa ni Buddy is, shared niya yung output niya sa Gmail account ko. So, always consider guys, always think na lahat ng Gmail accounts ng clients, mga business owners, puno yan ng mga emails. And natabunan na probably ang inyong in-email sa client. Okay? So, if kung nilagay nyo dito is, hello sir, here's my output. I've shared with you, check on this. Okay? Make an instruction on where the client can find your outputs. Okay? So, yun yung pinaka-importante, guys. Since I know, nagsabi naman siya sa akin through Messenger, o diba? So, i-check natin. So, ito na yung naging output niya. So, open natin, guys, ha? So, ayan siya. Let's play. Are you looking for a place to stay that's near Mactan Cebu International Airport? Ashi Cozy Cabin is the right accommodation for you. Just 1.9 kilometers from the airport. Enjoy these amenities for a very affordable price. Okay. So, goods naman siya. Okay, so paano ba ito ibalik? So, okay naman siya guys. Kaya lang, if the client is going to use it for marketing purposes, ilagay nyo lahat, guys, ang mga important details dito. Okay? Like, amenities. Ayan. And, just to let you know, guys, itong kasi, hindi kasi ito yung latest niya na mga FB posts. I mean, yung latest niya na mga na rental service, diba? Hindi na siya nag-a-appear on the business page or the FB page niya. So, lagi nakafocus yun sa pictures nun, yung nasa ibang building kasi to guys. Okay? So, that's why you need to have a quick research on everything. Kung ano yung mga social media presence ni client. So, anyway, this is good. Pero, mali itong, niya. Kasi ito is, binibenta niya na to na condo eh. Okay? So, ang main talaga na rental properties niya is yung nasa, kung ano yung nakita niyo sa Facebook page niya, yung pinakauna talaga, yung mga features niya doon. Yun yung mga main rental service or rental business. Okay, so if I'm going to create, let's check on naman. Kanino ba to? Okay, so yun yung kay Body Esther yun. So you can do better. You can actually pa. And also, let's check ha. Wait lang. Is there a call to action? Let me see.
From the airport. Enjoy these amenities for a very affordable price.
Okay, wala siyang call to action. Okay, always have a call to action in all the deliverables. Basta yun, ganon. Okay, so yun na yung kay Body Esther yun. You actually understand your, but needs pa improvement. Okay? So, next naman kay Villa. Let's check on Villa Quintos task. Hi, Miss Reg. Here's my task 2 po. Okay. Check natin. See, meron siyang drive link. So, it's easy for me to check on your outputs. Kasi nandito na. Okay, sige, nandito. Check ko na. Let me check. Alright. Okay. Okay, that's good. Alright, that's right. Okay, pero just need to improve with your fonts. Okay? So, ito, tama naman siya. Kasi ito yung pinaka-latest na mga rental properties ni client. Dito talaga yung AHV Cozy Cabin. Dito yung location niya. Okay? Nice. Okay, good job on this. Alright, sige, sige. If I'm going to create mine, here's mine, guys. Okay, asan na ba yun? So, here's my output. Check nyo, ha. Very simple lang naman. Okay? So, where is it? Ayan. Na-upload ko na ba? Here. Okay, so here's my output. Ang haba na ng number. Ay, yung ko. Okay. Okay, so I indicated here all the amenities or features of this rental properties. O, diba? Naka-check siya. So, naka-indicate talaga siya. Kasi, alam niyo naman yung mga customer minsan, hindi naka-intindi or hindi medyo syunga-syunga. So, yun. You need to, like, give everything to them. Feed them. Spoon-feed them what they need. So, yun. So, ayan na siya. For only $5.99 per box. Whichever is the rate at the moment. Yun, tagline, cozy stay near Mactan Airport. O, diba? Call to action, book your stay now. Then, the information, call or text 09 for more details. Yun, call to action. Ito yung call to action natin and ito yung number where they going to communicate with the client. Okay, as simple as that. Ganun lang, guys. And also, I have here the logo. Okay, kasi ginagrab din minsan yan ng mga, kinakopy ng mga competitors. So, might as well put the logo para alam nila na, Cozy Cabin talaga to from Cozy Cabin. Okay? Right. So, that's my output. As you can see. So, yun. You can do better. So, magkakaiba kasi tayo ng style. But you can do better. Okay? So, that's just your reference, guys. If ever your client is into rental business. Okay? Alright? So, yeah, going back to the, task. Ay, asan ba yun? Wala na ko. So, going back to the task na tayo, guys. So, I will have an individual feedback for each. Okay? So, you did well. So, thank you for doing it. So, that's it.